Hello, everyone. My name is Elizabeth Cook. I am the Career Readiness Coordinator here at SC Works Midlands in the Columbia office. I just wanted to put together a quick video today to explain how you would attend a WIOA informational session. WIOA informational sessions are your first step into the WIOA program. This is where you get to learn about the program, the process of enrollment, as well as the eligibility requirements to enter the program. So this is always your first step. This is how you get in contact with a career advisor and begin your journey with WIOA. So I just wanted to do this quick video that I can refer participants to that may be a bit confused about this process of registering and, of course, attending this orientation or informational session. So your first step to registering would be to please go to scworksmidlands.org/workshops. You can see it right up here in my URL bar. That is scworksmidlands.org/workshops. And I will put this link in the description box below the video as well. So once you reach this site, you're going to see a bunch of tabs up here at the top. You are currently under the workshops tab. And then you scroll down just a bit, you'll see a QR code. It will say, please click here to register to attend an SC Works Midlands informational session, or you can scan the QR code. All of this information is also on our calendar. You can use our calendar, whether it be digital or paper, to do all of these same actions. But go ahead and click on that link. It's going to take you to this registration form. You get to select a date and location that works well for you. As you can see, I have informational sessions ranging all the way from June 1st to June 29th. There are sessions offered at our Lexington office, virtually, our Winnsboro office, and our Columbia office. And in order to see the times for these sessions, you can always refer back to our calendar that has all of our times listed for these sessions. So once you refer back to that registration form, you will just select what day and location is going to work well for you. Just a quick tip, our days and times never vary month to month. It will always be Tuesdays and Thursdays. There will be a virtual session every Thursday at 10 a.m. and every Tuesday at 2 p.m. There will be an in-person session every Tuesday at 10 a.m. The only thing that will vary is, of course, the location for in-person, whether it be Columbia, Lexington, and all of our Winnsboro sessions are going to be on Fridays, and they will all be in person. So you'll go ahead and provide us with your name, the last 4 digits of your social security number, email address, telephone number, provide an alternate number if you can, but it is not required. We do need to know if you're between the ages of 17 and 24. You can then enter your birth date. Has your employment status been affected by COVID? Are you receiving unemployment benefits or claimed? Do you have an account with SC Works? And then you get to choose which location you prefer to receive services from. So once you submit that form, you'll just get a thank you message. It doesn't send the link for you to join from this form because it's pretty simple to actually join the virtual session once it is time. All you have to do is go right back to that scworksmidlands.org/workshop page, and you will see a second QR code, as well as click here 10 minutes prior to the workshop start time. That is all you have to do to actually join the session. So if you have a virtual session at 10 a.m., go ahead and jump on here around 9:50. You can either click on this QR code or click right there to go ahead and join. It will want you to open the app if you do have the app. If you do not, you can join it through your browser. If you are joining by phone, it may vary a bit. You may have to use the numbers that are provided on our calendar to join instead. And you can see that right here. You can call this number and enter all of the meeting information to join also. So there are several ways to join in person and virtually, but that is just a very quick breakdown of how you first register for the session and then how you join the session. And like I said, I just go over what the program is, what the process is, and then afterwards, I get to assign you to a career advisor. They are going to reach out to you and go ahead and get started on the next steps for enrollment. But I hope that that provides some insight and just an easy breakdown of this process. If you have any more questions, please feel free to comment on this video. I'll also put my contact information in the description along with these links to all of this information. All right, well, thank you for watching, and I'm excited to see what you are going to do with the WIOA program.